Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to see the hotels on one map using the Expedia app. Just open the app and go to the stays. Here you can find a hotel for yourself, search, and now you can see these hotels right here, but if you would like to see them on the map, then at the bottom of the page click on map, and now you can see all of them here. You can choose filters and the price and so on. If you would like to go back, then click on the list at the bottom of the page. That's basically it. I hope it helps.